Here is how to search for any file or folder on your Mac. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So there's two ways we can do this. We can go to the spotlight button on the top and click on the magnification, and then we can do a spotlight search. So let's say I'm searching for a PDF. I will search it in, and then it will give you a list of places where it could be. Then it would actually show you the PDFs down below. Now if you can't find it on here, we're going to go open up Finder, and then in the search bar we're going to search up for your item. So I'll search up PDF, and then it will have all the PDF files. Now if you still can't find it, you can always narrow it down even further by pressing on the plus icon and then pressing on System Files, Are Included, and you can add multiple plus buttons to narrow it down even more to find stuff that you would not be able to find before. So I can just do this, System Files, I can search up Other, PDF, and then I'll search up for the PDF in my files. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I will see you in the next video.